Most things get brushed once a season, so it's once a year for the traffic.
Cheltenham House is unlike any other National Trust property I've been to. You can really feel a sense of history and the passing of time, complex walls. It gives the house a unique character. And the experiment, well, it's proved such a success.
Come on then, Smokey.
Adopting it for other, larger, stately homes. Back at our valuation day at the Cornhall in Cirencester, there's still a good crowd, all wanting
Good girl.
antique value. So let's join up with our expert Michael. He's with Annie and Vic, with 2 vases they're just desperate to sell.
Can you tell me where you got them from?
They belonged to my mother.
Come here.
She was
Come on.
actually given by an elderly
Smokey.
lady who ran a nursing home in Swindon many years ago. And in gratitude, I think, when she left, she was unfortunate enough to be given these 2 vases.
Unfortunate enough.
Well, she hated them. She absolutely hated them.
That's what you do.
She died.
What are you doing?
Years ago, and I haven't taken them out until today, really.
So, at the back of the book. At the back of the book. So, your mother hated them.
Yes.
Vic, you in the video hate them.
And I really hate them.
You really hate them. Well, I wouldn't normally say thank you for bringing them to vlogging today, but you obviously wanted to get rid of them as quick as humanly possible.
Yeah.
Has anyone ever said